In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an add-on domain in HostGator cPanel. This process can seem a bit daunting if you're new to web hosting, but by the end of this guide, you'll feel much more confident in managing your own domain setup. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your HostGator cPanel account. If you're not familiar, cPanel is a user-friendly interface that simplifies the management of your web hosting. Once you're logged in, navigate to the domain section. Here, you'll find an option called add-on domains. Click on that and prepare to enter some key details about the domain you're adding. In the add-on domains page, you'll see a field where you can enter the new domain name you wish to add. Make sure to type it correctly, without any typos or spaces, as this will ensure proper configuration later on. After entering your domain name, you'll notice a field to create a document root folder. This folder is like a dedicated storage space on your server specifically for this domain's website files. By default, the system will propose a name for this folder based on your domain name. However, if you prefer a different name or need to organize your server's directories in a particular way, you can certainly customize this field. Next, if your workflow requires FTP access to this domain's files, you'll have the option to assign FTP credentials. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is a useful tool for transferring files between your local computer and the server. Setting up FTP credentials specifically for this domain can be helpful if you plan to regularly update or maintain the site's files independently from others on your account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to create a username and password for this purpose if you need it. Now, with your add-on domain setup, the next step involves uploading your website files. Navigate to the newly created root folder on your server. This corresponds to the document root folder you chose or named earlier. Upload all relevant website files here, ensuring everything is in place for your site to function correctly. Finally, you'll want to update your domain's DNS or domain name system settings so they point to HostGator servers if they aren't already configured to do so. Normally, you'll access these settings through your domain registrar's portal. Look for the option to update the DNS and input HostGator's name servers, which are usually provided when you set up your hosting. And there you have it. You've successfully added an add-on domain to your HostGator cPanel account. Remember, patience